Found something pretty cool in the trash the other day. It was someone was throwing out. It's a Sears Kenmore Quiet Comfort 12 Evaporative Humidifier. Dating this probably late 1980s. I have the model number. I'm gonna look it up. Yeah, again, late 1980s, probably early 1990s. You're saying, hey, where's the guts? Well, I took them out to lubricate one of the fan motors, which had just completely, stopped. It wasn't seized, but it just wasn't spinning properly. Whoa. As you can see, the tank is going to need some cleaning. So we have some foliage in the bottom and standing water. Oops. It's not disgusting though, like you'd think. It was sitting outside for a while. It looks like somebody was taking care of it. It's just that one of the fans had stopped working. There are a lot of pieces missing, however. Missing the cover, which it's no biggie. It would have a plastic cover that would come over, close the gap. It's also missing the float, which is a biggie, because the motors won't run without that. I'm just going to bypass the motor, or not the motor, the float sensor, and hardwire it. That float sensor also controls this little light, which says fill. I'm going to hardwire the light and put a label over it that says pilot, or something like on, or something like that. I'll show you. I lubricated this fan motor. Just had a horrible buzz when you turn it on. And as you can see, I mean, it's a great job. From not spinning at all to just flicking it, it'll spin for a while. This is fan number 2. Probably could also use some lubrication. See your control panel here, the old Kenmore logo. Actually, it's a Quiet Comfort 2. Not exactly sure what the 12 stands for. So you can see the little neon pilot light came on. 2 fans, 3-speed. It's got a humidistat built in. Show you. This is maximum blow right now. High speed. As you can see, that one, the fan that I lubricated actually still spins for a while after you turn the motor off. And what I'm doing down there is actually touching the float sensor, which is supposed to have a little tube with like a ball that floats on it. And you just touch that up, and this little contact that starts the motor. So I'll get this put back together and cleaned up. As you can see, it's got 20 years worth of dust at least. Cigarette smoke, you know, and nicotine buildup, all of that stuff. Anything that's drawn through there. It gets wet too, so. I checked Sears Hardware right here in Glassboro. They still sell filters. They're $14.99 a pack. I don't know what the exact model number is, but I'll get some of them and see if we can get this thing running. That is the Sears Quiet Comfort 2, I guess -12 Evaporative Humidifier, which I got for free. Free stuff is good.